I had 0.1 second to fucking respond. Get cancelled, hang yourself, you fucking dumb cunt. Yeah, kill yourself. Fucking kill yourself.
Give up gaming, cuz. That's not for you. Give up gaming, bro. It's not for you, bro. It's literally not for you, bro.
You just kill on sight. Chill out, bro.
You rolled like you about to shoot me, boy.
You just had a shotgun running at me. What do you mean?
Why did you say anything then, huh?
Are you I'm looting.
I was aiming at you for 5 seconds, bro. And you roll like you're about to shoot me, idiot. What are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about?
You shot me first.
Why did you say something first, huh?
With a shotgun.
I didn't I was aiming at you for 5 seconds, bro. What are you talking about? I could have shot you so many times.
I rolled away.
Well, why didn't you say anything? That's all you need to answer.